Okay, here's an AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. Choose a different question by hitting the information card up here. If you want to do the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. So each diagram shows two horizontal forces acting on a solid square object seen from above. All the forces have the same magnitude. Which system produces a couple about any point inside an object? Well, a couple is a couple of forces, also known as torque, and the forces have to be parallel but in opposite directions. So in A, they're parallel, but they're in the same direction, so that's no good. B, they're certainly not parallel, and they're certainly not in the same direction. Again, C, not parallel, not in the same direction. D, the forces are parallel, but the first force is pointing upwards, second force is pointing downwards. So they are in opposite directions, and that would produce a turning moment, probably around about in the centre of the square, about there. Okay, if you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button please, share with your friends, watch more in the same series, hit the like buttons. Thank you for watching.